In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create filters in Zoho Mail. Filters are a great way to automatically organize your inbox, so important emails are easy to find and distractions are kept out of the way. I'll walk you through each step slowly, and you can follow along in your own Zoho Mail account. First, sign into Zoho Mail and make sure you're looking at your inbox. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the main settings area where you can control how your mail behaves. Once the settings panel is open, look for the option labeled filters. Depending on your screen size, this might be listed in a sidebar or under a mail settings section. Click on filters to open the filters management page. This is where you can see any filters you've already created and where you'll add new ones. Now, to create a new filter, look for the button that says New Filter and click it. This will open a new filter configuration window or page. Here is where you tell Zoho Mail what kind of messages you want to catch and what you want it to do with them. In the filter details area, start by giving your filter a clear name. For example, you might name it Invoices, Newsletters, or Project Updates. A good name helps you remember what the filter is for later on. Next, set the conditions. These are the rules Zoho Mail will use to identify matching emails. You can usually filter based on fields like from, to, subject, or even specific words in the email body. For instance, you might choose from and enter a particular email address, or choose subject and enter a keyword like invoice. Take a moment to think about what all the emails you want to filter have in common and use that to build your condition. After that, choose the actions you want Zoho Mail to perform when a message matches the condition. Common actions include moving the email to a specific folder, marking it as read, starring it, or even forwarding it. For basic organization, moving it to a dedicated folder works very well. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and you're happy with the setup, scroll down and click on Save. Your new filter is now active, and future emails that match your conditions will be handled automatically.